The definitive design of the Tonale is extraordinarily faithful to the concept car from which it draws its origins, courtesy of the remarkable work done at the Centro Stile Alfa Romeo. Intended for a young, metropolitan and dynamic customer, the Alfa Romeo Tonale offers a distinctive, sensual and forward-looking design, extolling new stylistic canons destined remain as points of reference in the development of the Alfa Romeo lineup: 5-hole wheel rims, the cluster in the telescopic instrument panel, the 3-spoke sport steering wheel, and the sine-curve headlights. Its compact dimensions, a length of 4.53 meters, width of 1.84 m and height of 1.6 m, thus encompass the uniqueness of Italian design and the original, contemporary style typical of Alfa Romeo. We see the recurrence of stylistic features that have entered the history of world motoring, such as the GT line that runs from the rear to the headlights, recalling the forms of the Giulia GT and alternating with the full and elegant volumes, reminiscent of iconic models such as the 8C Competizione. The front features the inimitable Trilobo and the distinctive Alfa Romeo Scudetto shield, which acts as a central focus. The 3+3 headlights with new full LED adaptive matrix evoke the proud look of the SZ Zagato or the Proteo concept car. Developed in conjunction with Marelli, the 3 modules make up a unique frontline for the car and simultaneously provide daylight, dynamic turn signals, and a welcome and goodbye feature, activated every time the driver turns the car on or off, to ensure the best lighting conditions courtesy of the introduction of 2 sophisticated technologies. The first of these, adaptive driving beam, constantly adjusts the dipped headlights according to speed and specific driving conditions. The second, glare-free high beam segmented technology, automatically detects traffic in front and/or traveling in the opposite direction to avoid glare from other cars. Finally, a third module, automatically activated when turning corners to ensure the best lateral lighting. These technologies offer greater efficiency in terms of durability and energy saving with twice the light intensity of conventional halogen lamps and lower emissions, and improved safety, with less eye strain and better driving comfort. The taillights take on the same design cues as the headlights and form a sine curve that fully wraps around the rear of the car, making it a truly unique and distinctive light signature. The car's sensuality and dynamism are also clear in the all-encompassing rear window, a tribute to the 8C Competizione, and in the design of the alloy wheels that reproduce the Alfa Romeo style canon of the telephone dial. Inspired by Alfa Romeo's racing history, the interior is strongly focused on the driver, with easy access to all controls for a safe, unparalleled driving experience. The same care is reserved for the passengers, who are given the ideal space to travel in comfort. This results in an environment designed for and around the occupants, characterized by meticulous attention to detail paired with a constant quest for the highest quality. The Tonale's interior arouses real emotions, not to mention the latest technology, ensuring a connected and comfortable experience, while maintaining the pleasure of a sporty drive that always remains in the lead. Record-breaking technology for Alfa Romeo, software and connectivity enhance the driving experience and protect residual value. In a world-exclusive, Tonale debuts non-fungible token (NFT) technology, a true innovation in the automotive sector. Alfa Romeo is the first automaker to link a car with an NFT digital certificate. The technology is based on the blockchain card concept, a confidential and non-modifiable record of the main stages in the life of an individual vehicle. This distinctive off-board feature, immediately usable and sustainable, emphasizes the innovative nature of Alfa Romeo. With the customer's consent, the NFT will record vehicle data, generating a certificate that can be used as a guarantee that the car has been properly maintained, with a positive impact on its residual value. On the pre-owned car market, NFT certification represents an additional source of credibility for owners or dealers to count on. In the meantime, buyers will be reassured in their choice of car. Alfa Romeo interprets the use of software and connectivity to enhance the driver's experience, which is and remains the focus. Tonale therefore comes with the most advanced technology to ensure a connected and comfortable experience, while maintaining the driving pleasure typical of an Alfa Romeo. The major new features in the Alfa Romeo Tonale include built-in Amazon Alexa voice assistant features, so you can always feel at home in your car, making the everyday experience even more straightforward and convenient. Complete integration with Amazon, courtesy of the secure delivery service, You can choose the Tonale as the place to deliver the packages you are expecting by unlocking the doors and letting the courier leave them inside the car, all completely safely. You can also receive constant updates on vehicle status from the comfort of your home, find out the level of charge and/or fuel, search for points of interest, find your car's latest location, send remote locking and unlocking commands, and much more. Alexa can also be used to ask to add products to your shopping list, to search for a restaurant nearby, or to adjust lights or heating connected to your home automation system, all while remaining focused on the road. As standard, Tonale comes with a built-in and all-new infotainment system. With a customizable Android operating system and 4G connectivity with over-the-air (OTA) updates, it also offers content, functionality and services that are always kept up to date. This system includes a fully digital 12.3-inch screen, the main 10.25 touchscreen unit, and a smooth, sophisticated multitasking interface, keeping everything at a glance without distracting your attention from the road. Totaling 22.5-inch, the two large full TFT screens are best in class in the segment. Technology is also at the service of safety and comfort. Level 2 autonomous driving, with new advanced driver assistance systems (ADAS) that act in line with the Alfa Romeo philosophy. Here again, the software is at the service of the brand's DNA, with the focus remaining on the driver. All the systems therefore work without ever interfering with the driver's experience, where control and the emotions of driving remain intact. These include intelligent adaptive cruise control, IACC, lane centering, LC, and traffic jam assist, which automatically adjusts speed and trajectory, keeping the car in the middle of the lane and at a distance from the vehicle in front, thus ensuring safety and comfort. The Tonale is also equipped with other innovative devices and technologies that perfect the interaction between driver, vehicle and road, from autonomous emergency braking to alert the driver of danger and engage the brakes to avoid or mitigate any collision with a pedestrian or cyclist, to drowsy driver detection that warns the driver if they become drowsy, from blind spot detection, which detects rear blind spots and signals any approaching vehicles to avoid collision, to rear cross path detection, for warnings of vehicles approaching on the sides when reversing, all the way to the high-resolution 360 degrees camera with dynamic grid. State-of-the-art electrification, with solutions designed to enhance the brand's DNA. For the brand, Tonale marks a natural entry point into the world of electrification, but, true to its daring approach, Alfa Romeo sets a paradigm. Electrification must serve the brand and its DNA, with the mission of reinventing sportiness for the 21st century. A concrete commitment to a future-oriented sustainable mobility, while remaining faithful to its founding values. Two levels of electrification, hybrid and plug-in hybrid. The Tonale debuts the 160 horsepower hybrid VGT, variable geometry turbo, engine, and exclusive for Alfa Romeo. Its variable geometry turbocharger paired with 7-speed Alfa Romeo TCT dual-clutch transmission and the 48-volt 15 kilowatts, 55 Nm P2 electric motor makes it possible for the 1.5-liter gasoline engine to propel the wheels even when the internal combustion engine is turned off. Alfa Romeo has opted for this technical solution to offer an authentic electrified experience. The transmission enables startup and travel in electric mode at low speeds, and when parking and cruising. At launch, the 130 horsepower hybrid version is also available, again paired with 7-speed Alfa Romeo TCT and 48-volt P2 electric motor. Top performance is guaranteed by the exclusive 275 horsepower plug-in hybrid Q4, which clocks up 0 to 100 km/h acceleration in just 6.2 seconds and a range in pure electric mode of up to 80 km in the city cycle, over 60 km in the combined cycle, best-in-class values in the segment. As standard in the plug-in hybrid powertrain, the Q4 traction ensures an unparalleled level of safety and driving pleasure. To complete the engine range, the new 1.6-liter, 130 horsepower diesel engine with 320 Nm of torque, paired with 6-speed Alfa Romeo TCT dual-clutch automatic transmission and front-wheel drive. Customers at the center of the Alfa Romeo universe, product and service quality. With Tonale, Alfa Romeo launches a series of new services, which redefine the customer experience and will cover the brand's entire lineup.